Hi everyone, Miss Francis here again, and I know I skipped last week. It was my birthday weekend. Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. I was busy having a ball. Um, I needed a time out too. Okay, so we have a beautiful video here that I put together, showing you how I do our Even Glow line of facial masks. In this video, you're going to see three formulations, not one, not two, but three. Three formulations for a face mask, a nice, effective, brightening, glowing face mask. Yes, and I'm going to tell you which one I've been loving. Okay, I would give you tips and tricks, and of course you're going to see everything I use in this video. I'm also going to have it listed in the description so you can go get some of the ingredients if you don't have it in your cupboard already and try it. You're going to love it. Okay, so you guys are gonna hear me speaking because I was not recording my last few steps. That sucks. So what I did was took it out of the hot water bath, add the powders to the mixture, mix it up, let it cool a little bit, add my neem, add my ibuprofen, and then I was pouring out these, talking about we have 4 samples to give away from this video. Pour this set into here because that's going to be for me, and then I just took some from the spoon to show how it was setting up nicely, and I placed it on the back of my hand to show you how it melts in contact with the skin. I'm rubbing it in, you could just see how creamy and moisturizing it is, and that's how you're going to use it, and leave it on the face. This is why I also use it as a cleansing balm, because it will break down whatever makeup and dirt and grime. So it's good as a cleanser that you can leave on the face at 10-15 minutes, and it have all that nice lovely goodness in it. So I'm sorry that we lost the footage, but yeah, this is what it is. And these 4 bad boys, you can get at least 2 or 3 uses from that, maybe 2, for all over the face. And yeah, so that's that. Okay, so now that you have watched the video, I am going to show you again what I've had. So this is the last one that was made, the emulsified one. So there's a little sticker here. I do have samples. You would have seen me done these cute little samples. These are to give away. I have one that I'm using in the gym. I got like 2 uses out of one. I got 3 uses out of the balm. So you see the difference in the color. I do have powder ones. Let's see if we light. You just see somebody book mine. Right. So this is the powdered version. I have this. We have a 2-ounce jar that we're going to give away, and of course, then we have these little babies here that we're going to give away. So feel free to share and like and subscribe. Okay, and qualify by sharing the video to win one of these beautiful masks. And of course, we're gonna have it on our site for sale, of course. So this is the emulsified one. This one has water in it and preservative, of course. This is the emulsified one. I've been using this. Do I love it? Love it? Yes. But I'm loving the balm the most because I've been using the balm as a makeup remover. I've been leaving it on as a mask. Give that deep clean, and I have also been getting a nice light exfoliation from it. So I am going to show you guys how we do more masks. If you like this video, if you like this kind of content, I am going to show you guys how we do our other masks, because we have 6 in our lineup. If you didn't know that, check out our website. There is 6 different masks that we do, all right, for different purposes. Enzymes, green tea, charcoal detox with salicylic acid. Yes, we have a lot of good stuff going on. So check out our masks, see which one best suits you. There's loads of information under each product, so you guys can choose what's best for your skin. Of course, feel free to follow us on our social medias. We do have people there that are going to be able to answer all your questions. All right, and that's pretty much it. This video was so much fun to make. I cannot wait to have you guys try that formulation out. If you have any questions on formulating something similar for yourself, send us a message. Send a message. I'm here to help. All right, so I'm here to help. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Again, do hit that like button, do hit that subscribe button, do follow us on all of our social medias. I have a little boo-boo going on that side, you know, drop to sleep with the makeup on kind of thing for the birthday. So we're gonna get that all cleared up and sorted out. Again, it was a pleasure. Very happy to be here, very happy to start this YouTube journey with you all, and I'm very excited about all the new stuff that we have in store. Oh, don't forget to check out our actual store. We have it in Montrose Mall in Chaguanas. I should have said that too. Yes. So the new store is up and running. We also do spa services, facials, waxing, all that good stuff. And I'm actually at the store, so that's why you're seeing people moving about. All right, so later guys, do have fun. Happy formulating. Bye.